Hello students, good morning. This is your English class and I am your teacher Smriti Miss. And today in English class we are going to start chapter 5. And in chapter 5 there's a poem called Now We Are Six. So you all know that before explanation we always do reading practice. So today also we are going to do reading practice of this poem. Okay, so today first we are just going to do reading practice. Okay students, so now let's start. Students, you can see the title of the poem is Now We Are Six. Okay, so now let's start reading and we are going to read letter wise. Okay, एक एक लेटर हम लोग पढ़ के उसको अच्छे से प्रोनाउंस करना सीखेंगे पहले. Okay, so now let's start. N-O-W, now. N-O-W, now. W-E-V, W-E-V, A-R-E-R, A-R-E-R, S-I-X, six, S-I-X, six. Now let's read the stanza of this poem, okay? W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. I-W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. I-H-A-D, had. H-A-D, had. J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. B-E-G-U-N, begun. B-E-G-U-N, begun. W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. T-W-O, T-W-O, W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. N-E-A-R-L-Y, nearly. N-E-A-R-L-Y, nearly. N-E-W, new. N-E-W, new. W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. T-H-R-E-E, three. T-H-R-E-E, three. W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. H-A-R-D-L-Y, hardly. H-A-R-D-L-Y, hardly. M-E, me. M-E, me. W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. F-O-U-R, for. F-O-U-R, for. W-A-S, was. W-A-S, was. N-O-T, not. N-O-T, not. M-U-C-H, much. M-U-C-H, much. M-O-R-E, more. M-O-R-E, more. W-H-E-N, when. W-H-E-N, when. I W-A-S, was. WAS was. FIVE 5. FIVE 5. WAS was. WAS was. JUST just. JUST just. ALIVE alive. ALIVE alive. BUT but. BUT but. NOW now. NOW now. I AM am. SIX 6. SIX 6. I apostrophe M. I'm. I apostrophe M. I'm. AS as. AS as. CLEVER clever. CLEVER clever. AS as. AS as. CLEVER clever. CLEVER clever. SO so. SO so. I THINK think. THINK think. I apostrophe double L I'll. I apostrophe double L I'll. BEB SIX 6. SIX 6. FOR for. EVER ever. EVER ever. AND and. EVER ever. EVER ever. So students, we have read the poem. Now let's see the name of the poet also. जिसने ये poem लिखा है उसका poet का नाम भी हम लोग पढ़ते हैं. AAMILNE Milne. AAMILNE Milne. Okay, MILNE Milne. So students, we have finished reading it letter wise. Now let's read the poem word by word. Okay, हम लोग अब words by words इस poem को फिर से एक बार reading करेंगे. Okay, now we are 6. Now we are 6. When I was 1. When I was 1. I had just begun. I had just begun. When I was 2. When I was 2. I was nearly new. I was nearly new. When I was 3. When I was 3. I was hardly me. I was hardly me. When I was 4. When I was 4. I was not much more. I was not much more. When I was 5. When I was 5. I was just alive. I was just alive. But now I am 6. But now I am 6. I'm as clever as clever. I'm as clever as clever. So I think I'll be 6 forever and ever. So I think I'll be 6 forever and ever. A Milne. A Milne. Okay, students, so this much for today. I hope you all enjoyed reading this poem. All of you practice reading at home and try to pronounce the words correctly. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.